Well, my wonderful students, now Miss wanna teach you how to find LCM, lowest common multiples ya. Bagaimana cara mencari KPK. Oke. Nah, the first one Miss wanna teach you ya. Example, we want to find LCM of 4 and 6 ya. LCM of 4 and 6. Oke. Nah, kita mau mencari KPK dari 4 dan 6. Oke. The first one we can find with the multiples. Kita bisa cari dengan kelipatan 4 ya. Oke. Kelipatan 4, the multiples of 4 are 4, after that 8, after that 12, and then 16, 20, after that 24, and etc. Okay, now let's find the multiples of 6. Yeah, that is 6, after that 12, after that 18, after that 24, after that 30, after that 36, and etc. Okay, nah, so from this one we can find the LCM. Kita bisa mencari KPK-nya atau in English we call LCM, lowest common factor ya, yaitu bilangan pertama sekali ya yang ada di kelipatan 4 dan ada di kelipatan 6. Ya, do you know what number is it? Ya, that is 12, right? Ya, itu adalah 12. Oke, jadi so from here LCM ya, LCM, so LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Like that ya. Itu kalau kita gunakan dengan melalui kelipatan yang sudah kita cari. Nah, dengan cara yang lain, also we can find, look at this one. Ya, tadi kita mau mencari LCM dari 4 dan 6. Okay. Let's make here first. Okay. Okay, look at 4 ya. Use prime factor. Kita menggunakan faktorisasi prima ya, prime factorization. Okay, this one ya. If we find the prime factorization, so 4 get ya 2 times 2 ya. Okay. It means 4 equals ya 2 times 2, or we can make become 2 square, right? Ya, kita bisa buat menjadi 2 pangkat 2. Okay, now 6. Okay, 6 we can find, that is 2 and 3, right? Okay, so we are here 6 equals 2 times 3. Okay. Nah, now we want to find LCM ya. LCM of 4 and 6. Oke, nah caranya itu kan kemarin Miss bilang kita ambil semua faktor primanya dan kita pilih pangkat yang tertinggi. Nah, from number 4 and number 6 ya, for this one we know ya, the prime factors are 2 and 3. Jadi faktor prima dari 4 dan 6 itu adalah 2 dan 3. Ya kan? Oke, look at this one. This we have 2 in here. Yeah, 2 square. After that in here is only 2. Ya, hanya 2 pangkat 1 saja. So, we choose the biggest. Kita pilih yang besar. Ya. Which one is the biggest? That is 2 square. Ya. 2 pangkat 2. Kemudian we multiply 3. Ya, okay. So 2 square times 3. 2 square it means 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, 4. After that times 3. Ya, so the answer is 12. The answer is 12. Like that. Is it same, kids? Sama nggak hasilnya? Iya, sama. Up to you ya. You want to choose step 1 or step 2. Okay. Now, do you want Miss make another example? Okay. Now, Miss want to give you another example supaya anak-anaknya lebih paham ya. Okay. Let's find LCM of 4 let's find LCM of 6 and 8. Okay. 6 and 8. Okay. Ini step 1 ya. This is step 1. Step 1. Oke, jadi seperti yang Miss bilang tadi, kita cari dulu kelipatan dari 4 ya dan dari kelipatan dari 6 dan juga 8 ya. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, after that 18, after that 24, after that 30. Okay, 30, after that is 36, and then 42. Okay, after that 48, after that 48, after that is 56, 54, 54, 60, 66, and etc. Right? Oke, dan masih banyak lagi ya. Oke, and then we want to find the multiples of 8 are 8, after that 16. Okay, 16, after that 24, after that 32, after that 40, after that 48, after that 56, after that 64, after that 72. Okay, after that is 80, after that is 88, and etc. Oke, nah jadi kita mau mencari KPK-nya. Nah, dari 6 dan 8. Oke. Jadi yang pertama sekali mereka jumpa di bilangan yang sama, itu kira-kira angka berapa, Nak? Ya, let's find. Look at this one ya. Kita lihat di angka berapa mereka pertama sekali jumpa. Iya, ada di angka 24 ya, 24. Okay, 24. Okay, so from here, LCM of 8, of 6, and 8 is 24, ya. Okay. Like that. This is step 1. Okay, now Miss wanna show to you how to find how to find LCM of 6 and 8. Ya. Dengan cara yang kedua. Okay, in here is step 2. Step 2. Okay, just now we have 6. Okay, let's find the prime factors, ya, faktorisasi primanya, ya, dengan menggunakan faktorisasi prima. Okay, look at this one. So in here is 2, in here is 3, right? Ya, ini sudah menjelaskan kita bagi dari bilangan prima yang terkecil, ya. Oke, so in here 6 equals 2 times 3, right? Okay, and then we find 8. Yeah, we have 8 just now. Okay, in here is 2, yeah. 8 divided by 2 get 4. Okay, 4 divided by 2 get 2, right? Okay, so in here 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2, yeah, it means same becomes 2 cube, ya, 2 pangkat 3, ya. Jadi let's find the LCM. So LCM of 6 and 8 is okay. Nah, jadi seperti yang Miss bilang, untuk mencari KPK maka semua kita ambil faktor primanya, ya nak, faktor primanya. Nah, faktor prima dari 6 dan 8 itu adalah, do you know what number? That is 2 and 3, ya. This one, ya. Ya, ada 2 di sini. Oke, kemudian 3. But we choose the biggest. Kita pilih yang lebih besar, ya. Nah, in here we have 2 and 2 cube. Kita punya 2 dan juga 2 pangkat 3. Nah, maka kita pilih yang paling besar. Mana yang lebih besar? 2 atau 2 pangkat 3? Ya, yang paling besar itu adalah 2 pangkat 3. So, we write here is 2 cube, ya, 2 pangkat 3. Kemudian dikali dengan faktor prima lainnya adalah 3, ya. Okay, so in here is 2 cube, it means 2 times 2 times 2, ya, we times until 3 times. So the answer is 8, ya. 8 times 3 equals 24. Okay, 8 times 3 equals 24. Okay, so the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Is it same, kids? Look at this one. We get in here is 24. In here also 24. Yeah. Okay, so up to you. You want to use step 1 or step 2. Nah,